Ever found yourself in that classic panic mode? You're out and about, you need cash, but your Chime card is nowhere to be found. Maybe you lost it, left it at home, or it's still in the mail. The question is, can you get cash from your Chime account without the physical card? It's a common dilemma, and one that gets asked a lot. Here's the short and direct answer: no, not with Chime's current services. Chime does not offer cardless ATM withdrawals. Unlike some traditional banks that have cardless access codes or QR codes on their ATMs, Chime relies on its physical Visa debit card for all ATM transactions. So, what are your options if you're in a bind? First, if you're waiting for your new card, Chime does issue a virtual card as soon as you open an account. This virtual card is great for online shopping and adding to your mobile wallet for in-store purchases, but it cannot be used for ATM withdrawals. Your best and most reliable option is to find another way to access your funds. The easiest method is to use a mobile payment app. Since your Chime account is a checking account, you can link it to services like PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App. From there, you can send money to a friend or family member who can then withdraw the cash for you from their own bank account. Another idea is to transfer the money to an external bank account you might have. If you have another bank account linked to your Chime account, you can initiate a transfer. Just be aware that this isn't an instant fix. Transfers typically take a few business days to process. Now, what if you need cash right now? Your most practical solution is to use your phone's mobile wallet for purchases at a store that offers cash back. While you can't use the virtual card for this, some merchants may allow you to make a purchase with your mobile wallet and then receive cash back on the transaction. You'll need to check if the store's system supports this. So, to sum it up, while Chime doesn't offer a direct cardless withdrawal option, your best bets are to use mobile payment apps to get money from a friend or to wait for a bank transfer to your linked external account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.